How to install Paylocity Mobile app. So just tap Get to install it. Mobile tools that deliver the data and information employees need are no longer revolutionary. They are necessary. Modern employees work from more places than just their desk. Laptops, smartphones, tablets, and ubiquitous internet access have created a workforce that wants and expects to access important work functionality and data from anywhere. To use Paylocity Mobile, your company must be a Paylocity customer and you must be an authorized user with Paylocity credentials. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So just edit your personal info, search the company directory, or use the current and historical pay info on the go. Punch in and out from anywhere in the field or from designated areas with geofencing support and historical map views. Access company links and acknowledge documents. So yeah, that's the app. Again, like your company needs to be using this app, and then you just need to enter a phone number and register with your company, and you can get started.